Eyesight Upgrade, the power of specialized eye training, Eyesight Academy. In a world that increasingly relies on screens and digital devices, our eyesight is struggling. Blurry vision, eye strain, and other visual discomforts have become common concerns for many of us. But just as we can train our body to be stronger and more flexible, we can also train our eyes to see better. This is where specialized eye training courses like Eyesight Academy come into play. In this video, I want to share the importance of eye training for our eyes and how an eye training course can be a game changer. Digital eye strain problem. Our modern lifestyle has led to a significant shift in how we use our eyes. Hours spent in front of a computer screens, smartphones or tablet have contributed to a rise in issues like digital eye strain, dry eyes and myopia. The static eye muscle strain by screens with extended periods of staring at the phones has led to discomfort and a decrease in overall eyesight health. Understanding specialized eye training programs. A specialized eye training program is a proactive approach to maintaining and improving our eyesight, similar to how we engage in physical exercises to strengthen muscles. Eye training involves targeted eye exercises and techniques designed to enhance visual acuity, flexibility, and overall eye health. These exercises are needed not only for individuals with existing eye problems, but for anyone looking to prevent issues and optimize their vision. Eye training course, Eyesight Academy. Eyesight Academy offers a comprehensive specialized eye training program to stretch eye muscles and regain eye accommodation. This program focuses on various aspects of vision improvement, from healing myopia and astigmatism to relieving digital eye strain and enhancing focus. Benefits of specialized eye training courses. Reduced eye strain. The exercises taught at Eyesight Academy help relax and stretch spasmodic eye muscle, reducing strain caused by prolonged screen time. Improved focus. Specialized techniques can enhance your ability to focus on both near and distant objects by eliminating accommodative spasm. Prevention of myopia progression. For those struggling with myopia, eye training can slow down its progression and potentially reverse myopia. Enhance night vision. Certain eye exercises can improve your ability to see in low light conditions. Holistic eye health. Beyond just visual acuity, eye training contributes to the overall health of your eyes, promoting better circulation and reducing the risk of eye diseases. What to expect from an eye training course Eyesight Academy? At Eyesight Academy, an eye training course involves a combination of at-home eye exercises. These exercises are light eye stretching. For more trained people, power eye stretching, eye focusing exercises, and activities that challenge your eye muscles. Conclusion. In a world where our eyes are constantly under strain from screens and environmental factors, eye training offers a proactive solution to maintaining and improving our eyesight. Eyesight Academy includes eye exercises and techniques to enhance our vision, prevent issues, and promote overall eye health. A link in the description below.